this is it, guys. I've cleaned it up best I could. There we go. Now I'm going to drill the hole through there, right through into this piston here. Guys, I want to give this a bit of a shape, cut down there, something like that. I haven't got a miller, so it's not going to be really 100% accurate. I'm going to drill some holes and try and cut it with a hacksaw or something like that. I'm not sure how to do this, but I can't have this sitting like that. It doesn't really look nice. I'm going to cut down, maybe put some holes down here so it looks pretty, and we'll go from there. So guys, I've drilled a hole there. I'm going to try and use a hacksaw and cut that because I haven't got a miller, like I said. And see how that goes. I don't know how hard this will be, but persevere. So guys, I'm going to persevere with that, see how it goes. Guys, I use a jigsaw to cut it. It's not exactly 100%, but it's a lot better than this kind of surface I had. You can see it's all jagged and all kind of rubbish. So yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. I'll probably give it a little file later on just to smooth it out. But as far as I'm concerned, that's the best I'm going to get. So guys, I'm going to make a flywheel, and my brother's given me this brass, so it's a good one, very heavy. Obviously I'm not going to make a very heavy flywheel this time, but we'll see how it goes. So guys, I got to flatten this here before I can use it, and then let's see how it goes. So guys, the reason I took these things off here is because I wanted to turn it around and use the other side, because this got a little bit of a hole in there and I don't want that. So, but this wouldn't fit because these things were there in the way, wouldn't fit in the chuck there. So I'm going to turn it around. It seems to be smashed here, so all this is out, is in, so I'm gonna have to keep turning it down so I can get to there. Okay guys, I have a problem. It's beveled, it's going around like that, and I don't know why, but I'm going to try a few things. So guys, I'm drilling a central hole. I've got 5.4 drill here, but I need 5.9, but I'll just do this one for now. So guys, I'm going to turn it down so I can put a grub screw in and see how it goes. Okay guys, I have to tell you something. See, this is now flat. Before it was like bevel like this, and I did everything. I cleaned the tool, I cleaned underneath the lathe, and I cleaned everything up, and I tightened this. Still wouldn't work. So what I did, see this thing here, like this, that goes like that. Well, I held it in my hand while I turned it in, and it worked fine. So if this is moving like that, as I go in, it's moving like this. I'm exaggerating, guys. Anyway, I'm glad that it's better now. So I'll just go down a bit more, finish it off, so that we have enough there for a grub screw to go in. So you see guys, that's nice. I can put a grub screw in there. That is flat, and I need to go back a bit because I want to cut it just there. I think I want to inch it back, or maybe I just go a little bit more, a touch. I don't want to make it too big because if it's too big, it's not gonna spin. I might cut a little bit off. I might leave it. So guys, I've just polished this up, cleaned it up there, and I put the hole in there. So it's done now. Here you go guys, this is it. So you're looking at that, it's quite thin, and that's nicely done. So it's heavy, but I'm not too worried about heaviness. It's not as heavy as the others.